everyone, I'm Monica. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy recipe. It is how to fry potato using air fryer. So I'm going to use my air fryer later. Let's join me. This is a super easy and healthy way to cook potatoes that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. I'm using 400 grams normal yellow potatoes. Best is not more than 400 grams for better result. And for cooking spices, they are kitchen staple and flexible depending on your likeness. Rinse and peel off potato skin. Cut the potatoes into desired patterns. Soak the potatoes in water for 20 minutes to remove some of the starch. This will help to prevent them from sticking together or to the tray in the fryer. Drain the potatoes and let them sit on a strainer for 20 minutes. And preheat the air fryer for 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And now, let's coat the potatoes with the spices and oil. Let's start with a half teaspoon coarse black pepper. You may use powdered one as well. Then half teaspoon paprika powder. It's just roughly more or less, doesn't matter. I favor coriander powder. It's optional. Or you can also use Italian spices or any dried spices you like. I use 1 teaspoon coriander powder in here. I also love a little spicy on my fried potatoes. So I'll put some chili flakes. You are absolutely free to skip it if you cook for kids. After that, sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt or adjust it according to your preference. And finally, we need some olive oil. You can use any cooking oil you have in your kitchen. Add to 1 or 1.5 tablespoons then. Shake well to coat the potatoes completely with the spices. I suggest you use a bigger bowl so that you have more space shaking and flipping the potatoes. After that, place them in the air fryer tray. Shake them a little to make sure they are spread evenly. Set the cooking time for 30 minutes. After they are cooked for 15 minutes, take out the tray, then flip them over and cook for an additional 15 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. It is necessary to pause after cook halfway for good and even frying. It's done! Look, they are beautifully fried, crisp outside and tender inside. My husband said they are super, which means very delicious. And by the way, friends, please check out my video about cooking curry in watermelon skin. I showed how to air fry half-cooked plain potatoes if you are going to use them for cooking curry or other dish. I'll put the link in description box. So it's done. Serve hot and enjoy. And remember, these tips I've shown you. For best results, use a high quality air fryer with a good fan. And make sure the potatoes are dry before adding them to the air fryer. And don't overcrowd the air fryer tray. And also, flip the potatoes halfway through cooking for even browning. Serve the potatoes immediately after cooking. You can serve air-fried potatoes with ketchup or mayonnaise. They can be a great side dish or a meal, or they can be enjoyed on their own as a snack. Friends, I find that air frying is a healthier way to cook potatoes than frying them in oil, as it uses less oil and fewer calories. Please experiment with different spices and herbs to add flavor to your air-fried potatoes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And don't forget to tag me on social media if you try this recipe at home.